was checking. My Nilat guarantees 7 psi. It's very low. Very strong. The tank is just like here still.
Okay. So now we have this big pressure tank, water pressure tank. The engine doesn't have to make a sound every time we use water, as long as there is enough pressure in the tank. Okay. So this tank is Aquaflow, made in USA, and the motor pump is Eurostar, made in Italy. So we finally got the new water pump, water pressure tank, whatever, installed, and for now it seems to work very nice. It's not as noisy as the Chinese brand Inco. And now I learned something. So since this Aquaflow water pressure tank is quite big compared to the Inco, which is really small, so now I know that every time with a big water pressure tank, it filled up half with water and half with air, pressured air. So every time I use water, the pump will not start running. It will only run once the pressure has lowered. Something like that. So anyway, I'm just glad that we had it installed and it's now working fine. And we'll just see if it will really last that long.
Yep, we will see.
It has been our problem ever since to get a good working water pump, because here in Las Piñas sometimes we encounter water interruption, and most of the time low water pressure. There are times of the day when the water pressure is good, but not as good as when you have the water pump running, and most of the time very low pressure. And I would also like to thank a subscriber who suggested another brand, which is apparently a good one. However, when I read the comment, when he commented, I'm so sorry, but we had already purchased the new one. So anyway, let's see if this one will not work as good as we expected. I don't know, maybe we get the one that you suggested. But in any case, thank you very much.
A few inches later.
Like the Philippines, China is now on holidays daw. And my asawa got bored today kasi no work. Not much work to do. And our water pump finished na, na-install na. Now we are here in SM South Mall after a long time. We are here in SM South Mall enjoying our dinner at Marugame. There you go. Mura na, masarap pa. Sukiyaki. Akala ko sukiyaki yan na may rice. Yung pala udon, yung noodles na ayaw ko matataba. Parang bulate. Kaya sinave niya ako. Oh. Sa kanya naman katsudong. Sarap, no?
What's left over? Yeah, it's not up.
Ayan, nasa kanya na yung noodles ko.
And I gave you most of my rice.
Oo nga. Salamat. Sobrang gutom ko na talaga. Ayan, ubos na.